your pictures all away, but somehow they always find a way to stay. The house is quiet, louder than before. Your shadow still walks across the floor, and every night I tell myself your name, like maybe something's gonna change.